Hi guys, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Our today's topic is what transformation is coming into your life, or what transformations are coming into your life. We have three butterflies, three options in front of us. But please remember, before I start your reading, this will be a general reading. It may or may not match or resonate with each and every one of you. For that, you can book a private reading. You can DM me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot, or you can mail me on joshirutu9@gmail.com. I have mentioned the details and links in the description box below. Okay, and if you really like, please like, share, subscribe, and share to others and forward to others, and comment down below and let me know. Okay, we will not seem waste much time, and we'll directly go to your options. Okay, this is option 1, this first butterfly, the brown sparkling butterfly, the option 1. This is option 2, greenish golden sparkling butterfly, option 2. Option 3 is bluish golden sparkling butterfly. So option 1, option 2, option 3. You can choose any one butterfly, any one option, or you can choose multiple options as well. More than one pile you may feel attracted, then you can watch 2 or 3 piles, or you can watch the whole video. Okay, if you don't understand how to choose. So I hope you have chose your butterfly, your option. Okay, we will start with this option 1. I'll just keep this aside, option number 2, and this is option number 3. So let's see those who have chose option 1, brown sparkling butterfly, option 1. I'll just keep it over here, and let's see. Today I'm using I'm using the Witch Tarot deck. Okay, in this, the Sacred Indian Tarot deck, and I'm using the Cat Tarot deck. I have This is the new deck I am going to use today. I have started using this deck in your reading, in this reading. Okay, in this video. Okay, so what transformation is coming in your life? Wow, see people, you are waiting for your partner to come back, partner to contact you, partner to travel towards you. You are waiting for your life partner, you are waiting for your lover, you are waiting to get married, have committed relationship, or to be in a live-in relationship. So committed relationship, stable relationship, you are waiting for it. You want to have a married, happily stable partnership life, and you want to have children and pets and those sort of lines. Okay, so basically you want a family, and you are waiting for it since very long. Okay, and you are going to get it, guys. You are going to get it. A big transformation is coming, and this year only you will get your life partner. This year only you will get your lover back, ex back, whomever you are waiting for, whomever you are thinking about. Okay, and just for some of you are going to be spiritual person, spiritual people, and you'll come into the spirituality world. I feel like that you will come out of the dark night of the soul. You will be spiritually awakened. You will get more wisdom, awareness, and lot of big things are going to happen, because we have received a lot of major arcana: strength, the hermit, the emperor. Okay, and over here in this picture also, beyond illusion, we have received a butterfly. So big transformation is going to happen. Your third eye is going to open. Okay, your third eye is going to open. You will be spiritually awakened. You'll be able to see beyond illusion. You'll be able to see out of this world experience, and out of this world things. You'll be able to see out of the world experience. You'll feel, you'll be spiritually awakened, you'll be finding your awareness, knowledge, and you have been very much patient and very much waiting since long. For some of you since 7 years, or since 10 months, or for some of you 10 years, 7 years, 10 months, or lot many months. You have been waiting, being patient. You have a lot of you have been very patient, you have a lot of patience, you know, so you are very strong people also. I can see those who have chose this pile, you are going to become an emperor. The emperor doesn't matter, the male, female, boy, girl, woman, man, whoever is watching, this is a gender this is a genderless reading, okay, and timeless reading. So you are going to be emperor, guys. You are going to be, you know, become in, you'll come into your power, you'll become an emperor. Some of you, you'll might be the business owners, or you'll become business owner. That big transformation is coming. For some of you, if you are waiting for your investment, if you are waiting for money, then you are going to receive your money. That transformation is coming. If you are waiting to have a stable income, stable family partnership life, you want your lover, ex to contact you, to marry you, that will happen. That big transformation is coming. For some of you, currently you are going through waiting period, delays, lot of blockages, you know, you are introspecting, you are asking a lot of questions, you have a lot of questions in your mind, you are going through dark night of the soul. So it is going to bring you answers, and you will get wisdom, knowledge, spiritual awakening is going to happen. You'll have awareness, okay. For some of you, you have been very much sharing to others, but when it comes to you, nobody else was there to help you. You were the one who always used to help and share your wealth, whether your time, whether your energy, whether your love, whether your care, but no one was there to help you when you were in a need, when you were in a need. So you are going to receive that help, okay, and you'll be coming into your power. You'll become an emperor, so you'll not need anyone. I don't think you have ever needed somebody, but in future also you'll come into a power. You'll not need anyone, and you'll not you'll draw a boundary also. You'll draw the line, you know. You'll not help people like just like that. You'll help only those who's deserving your time, energy, and money, okay. And yes, currently you are going through in hermit mode, going through the dark night of the soul, going through a lot of inner work, and you know, introspecting a lot. So you will get that awareness, okay, and you will see the beyond illusion. You will see the you know, not only the true color of the people around you, but also uh, you know, 5D, what is 5D, what is 7D, you'll understand all those sort of things also, okay. And I can see some of you will get married. That transformation is coming, and that will change your life, and you'll have babies also. And for some of you, if you are married, and then you'll have 2 children, okay. If you are waiting for some sort of communication, job interview call, or business opportunity, or some sort of waiting, any type of waiting you are you know, you are waiting for, I can see that you will receive. That big transformation is coming, and you'll be like a, you know, strong lady, strong man, which you already are, but you'll come into your power, you know. The same like when a prince become a king, and princess become a queen, the same like that, okay, same like that, you'll come into your power. So let's see the charms also for you. So see, I'm telling you, you'll become an emperor, or empress, you know, definitely. 5 number, so change is coming. You might be seeing 111, 555 a lot. You might be you know, getting signs and numbers and feathers through animals, through birds. So you need to focus on that, because you are going through spiritual awakening. You are going through spiritual awakening. Ace of Cups, new love is coming, I'm telling you. For some of you, if you want your past person, that person is coming. 10 of Pentacles, okay. So you'll get a lot of abundance, love, wealth, money, and married life, happy married life, okay. For some of you, you are you know, making your house, or building your house, or building an apartment. For some of you, you want to buy a home. It will happen. That transformation is coming. And for some of you, spiritual awakening is very much highlighted over here. Spiritual people, or you'll become spiritual people. if not professionally, but then definitely you'll be awakened, spiritually awakened. And for some of you, third party situation you were dealing with, you'll come out of it, and you'll start, for some of you, if you have started something on your own, your project, you'll get success in that. Okay, LTI are the initials, A are the initials. See, I'm telling you, someone is coming to meet you, someone is going to communicate to you. If you are waiting for some sort of job interview call or business opportunity or some sort of call or communication from somebody, or from your ex, or from your lover, from whoever you are waiting for some sort of communication, whether it's professionally or whether personal matter, it is coming. Communication is coming. I can see the meeting is happening, and you'll see the fruits of your hard work. Definitely you'll see the fruits of benefits and fruits of your labor. I can sense that. So this transformation is coming. So this is what I feel for you, pile 1. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe if you really like. And for some of you, I can sense that throat chakra healing will be happening soon to you. Let's move to the pile 2. Please like, share, subscribe, guys. Comment down below. Okay, this transformation is coming for those who have chose this brown butterfly. Now let's see those who have chose this black golden butterfly. Let's see what transformation is coming into your life. I have used the Witch Tarot deck, the Indian Sacred Tarot deck, and new deck I am using in this video, the Cat Tarot deck. Okay, so let's see. I'm sorry if I'm touching my camera. So what transformation is coming for pile 2, those who have chose this blue, black, golden butterfly, sparkling butterfly? Let's see. Oh my god, the Wheel of Fortune. Wow. For some of you, I can sense that you feel a lot of regret and guilt, and a lot of logical things and thinking and thoughts are going on in your mind. For some of you, you have faced recently some sort of downfall or loss, some sort of loss or a downfall. I mean, you were at the higher position and you are now facing a downfall, something like that. So I don't think you need to worry about your materialistic things or practical things, in the sense 3D world things. You don't need to worry, because I can sense you have a lot of money, and if not, you all will going to get a lot of money, or some sort of inheritance, a sudden amount of bonus, or some sort of business opportunity, or money, professional matter, money, career related issue will be resolved. That transformation is coming up for you. For some of you, love is also coming. New love, old love, depends on your situation, but love is coming within 1 month or round about 1 month. Love is coming, money is coming, and Wheel of Fortune, everything will be going in your favor. If you are facing any sort of downfall, and you feel like your progress is very slow, don't worry. Wheel of Fortune card we have received, so you are going to get a 360-degree change in your life. Like right now you are watching, wherever you are watching, from whichever country you are watching, whichever religion you belong to, doesn't matter. So from right now onwards to after this year ends, you will be completely changed person, internally, externally. Your living situation may get changed, your job can get changed. If you are doing a job, you'll be doing your own business. If you are doing your own business, you'll get a lot of clients, you'll get worldwide success. For some of you, if you are living somewhere, then I can see you'll shift your house, or you'll move to the another country, city, state, something like that. So whoever situation you are in, whoever watching this, and whichever situation you are in, you are going to change, like this 360-degree change you'll feel by end of this year. Starting from now onwards to end of this year, you'll have a lot of money. You are expecting inheritance or some sort of money is you didn't get your money, you didn't get your right. I can feel that you will get everything. If you had some sort of guilt or heart chakra blockages, I can see that you'll go more closer to universe, to the source, to the god, to whomever you believe in. I can feel that. And some of you will get lot of treats in the sense actual money also, and treats in the sense gifts also. Yeah. Hmm. So some sort of guilt or regret or crying. If you are crying, you are facing trouble right now, don't worry, your situation is going to change like this 360-degree. If you are feeling that you are going downwards, don't worry, suddenly wheel of fortune will turn in your favor. Everything will come into your favor and your life will be changed, completely changed. I can sense in your reading you feel like something is missing in your life. Something I can also sense, something is missing in your reading. You might be feeling in your life that something is missing in your life, definitely. Then don't worry, uh, love is coming. If someone was not expressing their love, or they were not offering you their cup of love, I feel that they will offer you cup, they will offer you love. So definitely for some of you, small percentage, I can see spiritual people are watching. Okay. And you are going to grow step by step in your spiritual life. Okay. For some of you, you are already connected to the source, to the light, okay, to the universe, divine. Very divine vibe I am getting in this reading. Divine people, divinely guided people are watching. So what transformation is coming? Your life is going to change, man, woman, whoever watching it, this, your life is going to change 360-degree. In whatever situation, whoever watching, whatever situation you are facing, troubles, you feel like nothing is going to change or happen, don't worry, it is going to change, and you'll remember me. And if you, for some of you, you might get famous in your country, in your nation, or worldwide famous. You'll become those sort of things I am getting. A lot of love you have for others, and someone also special will offer you their cup of love, and you'll enjoy with them. You'll go on a date, so you'll enjoy dinners and brunch and lunch with them. Some sort of those things I'm getting. With your life partner, you'll go. And yeah, so don't worry, whatever you are feeling, like you are feeling guilty, your emotions, your heart chakra is blocked, your emotions are suppressed, you are not able to feel or tell somebody that you are feeling this, and you are crying, and those sort of negative vibration or negative emotions will be moving moving out of your way. For some of you, you will get two choices in love. See, if this cat is looking at that bird, and she's having this treats also over here, the food also in his plate, in her plate, cat food. So yeah, so you'll get two options in love. For some of you, that blessing is coming for you, some of you. Now let's see the charms. Wow, green color. Wow. See, some of you, I can feel that if your I can feel that I've told you, for some of you, your heart chakra is blocked, then your heart chakra is going to open up, and I can feel that sense that your healing is going on, heart chakra healing is going on. This big transformation is coming. Okay, that your heart chakra is going to open up, your blockages, heart chakra blockages will be removed, healing is going on for that. And uh, for some of you, might be on a spiritual journey or a twin flame journey. You'll meet your twin flame. Oh, okay, I can feel that. Initials for you, I'll tell you: CTARLOMI. Okay, CTARLOMI are the initials. For some of you, definitely you feel like you nothing has left, nothing will change, and nothing has left in this situation or in this relationship, in those sort of thoughts or negativity you are in. You'll come out of that, okay? You'll come out of that. The year might be important to you, 1999 and 5050 number. This can be someone's age, or 5 number might be significant to you. Definitely some sort of celebration is going to come, big celebration. I'm telling you, surprise, universe will give you surprise, and that surprise is quite surprise is surprise. So they will surprise you, you know, universe, god, angels will surprise you. They will give you god will give you, universe will give you, or angels will give you some surprise, definitely. And some sort of celebration is coming. I don't know what sort of celebration, but definitely a surprise celebration is coming. You'll be very surprised, okay? So angels are not telling me right now, something big is coming, a big surprise. With this wheel of fortune and with this rose, I'm feeling it strongly. Big surprise is coming. Big surprise and event is going to happen, and celebration will come. But what celebration, what surprise, what's event, that is up to your situation, up to different for everyone. But they are not telling me exactly what surprise. But yes, surprise is coming, celebration is coming, and some sort of big event is coming. Your heart chakra will be activated. New love is coming, past love is coming. You'll have two choices in love, you'll have two choices in career also. You'll meet your twin flame also. For some of you, if money trouble is there, you'll come out of that, okay? You'll be very much close to god, universe, and angels. I can feel that. So this is what I feel for you people. I hope you liked this reading and liked my charm reading style, okay? So don't worry, everything is going to be fine. So this transformation is coming up for you. If you feel stuck or you know, in some situation controlled by someone, then you know, you'll come out of that transformation is coming up for you. So please like, share, subscribe, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below how did you find this reading. For those who has chose this golden, black, blue sparkling butterfly, okay? Let's move to the pile 3. Pile 3, those who have chose this blue, purple, golden combination butterfly, sparkling butterfly, okay? Option 3. Let's see. Wow, I'm feeling the great vibe already. I hope you can see, okay? I'm using the witch tarot deck, okay? Reverse card we will, okay, reverse card, okay? I'm using the witch tarot deck, the sacred Indian tarot deck, and the cat tarot deck. This is the new deck I am including in this video of this is the new deck I am using it today. And in this cat tarot, I have received the 4 cards. One card was extra in your reading. So we will see, okay, what is coming up for you, what transformations are coming, or what transformation is coming. For some of you, you were in past very much conflicted with your heart or head, or with your with your family and your love, or with somebody you had a lot of conflicts, and you had a lot of emotional loss in past. For some of you, and for some of you, either you were in a controlling situation, or either you were feeling the outsider. Someone might have left you and you have felt heartbroken. So now I can sense that most of you are watching, you people have been heartbroken, and you are single right now. Single people are watching, but you are independent, okay? You are doing on your own, okay? So you I can feel that. So I can see stability is coming and marriage is coming. If you are single, you'll get your life partner. If you are like looking for a new home, your own home, you'll get your home. If you are looking for any sort of stability, whether in money or home or house or family or emotions or love life, that stability will come, okay? That transformation is coming up for you, big transformation. For some of you, you'll be in a playful energy. Definitely you'll be in a playful energy, and you'll have some sort of pets also for some of you, or you that pet will change your life. At first you will not feel the change suddenly, but slowly you'll feel that change. That transformation is coming, that a pet will change your life. For some of you, you already have a cat, and your cat might be pregnant, or your cat has given birth to lot many kittens, and you'll get happy, you'll get pets. Even if you don't have cat, you'll have some sort of pet, and that pet will change your life. Okay. And for some of you, if you get married, your partner might have a cat or a pet or a dog, some sort of those lines. In this cat tarot deck, the devil card is dog, because the cat and dogs are enemy. But when you in my house, the cat and dogs are live very friendly. They are like, because we give them food, we give food to dogs also, and cats also, so they are like very friendly. In this pile, the devil card is very positive, I can sense. Even if I have received the devil card, but I can see this is very cute. So for some of you, if you in emotional matter, in heart matter, this devil card is very positive. Okay, you are going to attract someone very positive, hot and sexy person you'll attract. For some of you, you might have chose pile 2, or you might have watched pile 2, or you might have chose more than one butterfly or option, because in pile 2 I have felt twin flame energy. In this also I am feeling twin flame energy. Okay. For some of you, you have snakes. I don't know, you might have seen a lot of snakes in dreams or in real life. These days you are looking a lot of snakes, or in dreams, a lot of birds, pets you are seeing. I can feel that. For some of you, for most of you, those who have chose this third option, third pile, a blue butterfly, I can sense you are single right now. Yes. And you feel alone. Sometimes you feel alone, you want somebody, and that person will come. Okay. You're either through some work environment or work situation, or either through some sort of arrangements or celebration, you will meet your life partner, and or either you will get married definitely, and you'll come into a committed relationship. If you want to buy a new home, it will happen. Okay. Over here, 3 stars are very highlighting in this reading, 3 stars. So definitely some sort of surprise is going to, your wish is going to fulfill. Your 3 wish will be going to be fulfilled. Whether you want to buy a home, whether you want to buy some property, office, that will fulfill. Whether you want some stability in your career, that will be fulfilled. Whether you want your life partner or stable relationship or love, true love, that will be fulfilled. You are waiting for your twin flame, your ex, your soulmate, that will be fulfilled. If someone has left you, and you have felt outsider, so that situation will be coming into your control. The situation will be coming into your control completely. I can sense that. Yes. Okay. And playful energy, you'll come. Playful energy also I am feeling through this card, with this card. A lot of playful energy. So that is why I can sense a pet, or I can, for some of you, I can see if you are planning for pregnancy or a children, a small baby also. I can see. I don't know whose baby it is. It is your baby or someone's baby in your family or in your friend circle, but a baby also, small baby also I can sense. You'll be in a playful energy. You'll play with those children or babies, or with your pets. Those sort of playful energy I'm getting. And you'll be happy like a child, like a childlike energy I'm feeling. Let's see. Charms also I want to pull out. Few more charms I'll pull out. So let's see. Initials also. So see, I'm telling you, your wish is going to be fulfilled. Definitely. If your wish is to get inheritance or a lot of money, it will be fulfilled. If your wish is to get famous, it will be fulfilled. I can also sense the strong Venus vibe in this reading. So you'll get famous. For some of you, you are already popular or a social media influencer or a famous person. If not, you will become a famous person or social media influencer. Strong vibe I am getting because of this with this star, and your wish will be fulfilled. Okay, and that will be a surprise. You will be surprised that you have become so famous, and you'll get a lot of money. For some of you, surprise money, famous person you'll become. If you are waiting for getting married and you have faced a lot of blockages till now, I can sense now that will be changed. That transformation is coming. Okay, lot of passionate energy also I am seeing in this. Mars energy, passionate energy, Venus energy, luxurious lifestyle you'll be living, or you are already living for some of you. And yeah, see, some sort of surprise is going to happen. Some sort of surprise you will receive. I can sense that for some of your, from either from your friends or either from anyone. So some of from universe, but some sort of surprise you'll receive. P initial. Twice we have received P. Oh my god, twice we have received P. A. And this is the blank initial. You can put your name or your person's name in this. Okay, and another is K. So P, K, A, and blank initial. Six of Wands. So you are going to receive victory. If somebody will propose you also for some of you, and if you are married and worried about your children or their health, don't worry, that transformation will occur. Eight of Wands also. Wow, communication is coming, victory is coming, success is coming, surprise is coming. Wow, passion is coming, excitement is coming, love is coming, money is coming, blockages will be removed, marriage celebration is coming. For some of you, marriage surprise, marriage proposal, surprise surprise proposal you will receive, or surprise marriage proposal you will receive, some sort of those lines, or surprise celebration you will receive, those sort of celebration you will receive. Surprise celebration, surprise marriage celebration, surprise proposal, those sort of surprise engagement, somebody will propose you, those sort of celebration you will receive. So three wish your wish will be fulfilled. Three big wish your three big wish will be fulfilled. That can be a marriage celebration or engagement or stable relationship. Another can be a lot of money, or third it can be a surprise. Okay, a surprise proposal, or a some sort of twin flame soulmate you will meet. Okay, or money you will receive. So depends on your situation, but most of you, victory is coming. Whatever you are expecting, whether you are expecting marriage to happen, want to get married, or want to have a stable life, home life, you want to buy a house, apartment, you'll get victory, you'll get success. You want to start your own business, you'll get victory, you'll get success. Okay, you are worried about your money situation, career, don't worry. Okay, good news are coming, good news, surprise, lot of Venus Mars energy also I am feeling in this. Okay, for some of you, you might have a baby, small baby, or if you are waiting for a baby, I can sense a baby pregnancy can occur for some of you. Okay, because baby vibe also, playfulness, pet vibe I am getting. For some of you, you are already married watching this, and for some of you, if you are single watching this, most of you single watching this, then you'll get married and you'll have babies, and you'll feel emotionally happy. Okay, and you might get a new pet, a surprise from someone might gift you a pet. And for some of you, I can sense a surprise proposal, marriage proposal, engagement proposal is coming. So your big three wish is going to be fulfilled, whether it is about house or home life, whether it is about money or career, or whether it is about love or personal life. So three big wishes is going to happen. That transformation is coming into your life. Wow. For some of you, you might be Leo watching this. I don't know why I am feeling, but Leo's vibe I am getting. Leo's vibe, twin flame vibe, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn vibe I am getting. So yeah, and for some of you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So this transformation is coming. I hope you guys liked my reading, my charm style and my card reading style. Please like, share, subscribe, guys, and motivate me also. I love you all, and forward to others. Comment down below, let me know how did you find my readings. Okay, what transformation is coming, how did you find this reading, this topic, this video, let me know. Okay, please subscribe. Okay, and this was a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, so please keep that in mind. Thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. I love you all. Bye bye. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.